Ganda mag-drive dito. Parang nag-drive ako sa ano, golf course.
Ako si Kuya George, ahenteng lupa't bahay sa gitnang Luzon, Pampanga ang aking taglay. Tumutulong sa pamilya, lokal man o dayuhan, sa ibang bansa'y nangarap, ngayon'y umuwi lamang. Ang inyong kaibigan sa paghanap ng tirahan, payo ko'y handog para sa tamang landas ng buhay. Ngunit minsan di handa, kaya't oras ang nasayang. Samahan mo ako sa tamang bahay para sa pamilya'y payapang buhay. Sa bawat sulok ng baryo, sa kalsadang tahimik, may kwento ng pangarap, may tahanang bibit-bit. Dinig ko ang tanong, kuya, kaya ba ito? Sagot ko'y may pag-asa, basta't sama-sama tayo. Minsan, malayo ang pangarap, minsan, ito'y malapit. Ang mahalaga'y tahanan kung saan puso'y sisikip. Ang inyong kaibigan sa paghanap ng tirahan, payo ko'y handog para sa tamang landas ng buhay. Ngunit minsan di handa, kaya't oras ang nasayang. Samahan mo ako sa tamang bahay para sa pamilya'y payapang buhay.
Hello mga kasanting, kumusta po kayo? Kung naghahanap po kayo dito ng luxurious living dito sa Pampanga, baka ito na yung i-consider ninyo. So, saan tayo pupunta ngayong araw na to? Alviera ng Ayala Land. So tunog pa lang, pang mayaman. Meron silang napalaking development, and within the development, nandun na yung Miriam College, at napaka-accessible din ito sa, ito yung dinadaanan namin, yung SEDEX going or pag pumunta kayo ng Subic, ito din yung dadaanan. So located po siya sa Porac. Okay, so check natin kung ano yung may offer ng Ayala dito sa Porac, Pampanga.
A new urban district is about to rise in the northern area of Luzon. Designed to bring urban living and nature together, let's take a trip to Alviera. Ayala Land is a pioneer in real estate development with a rich history that began with the development of the Philippines' premier financial district, Makati, followed by numerous mixed-use estates like Bonifacio Global City, Alabang, and Cebu. With 30 already in their portfolio, Ayala Land has established itself as the leader in both commercial and residential property development. For their newest venture, Ayala Land has partnered up with real estate company Leonia Land to turn the vast landscape of Porac, Pampanga into a sustainable estate. Alviera is a 1,800-hectare property that sits right at the heart of Central Luzon. This dynamic and nature-driven community with living, livelihood, and leisure all in one place. Also serves as a gateway to the Subic Freeport Zone and the Clark International Airport. Alviera Estate is just an hour and a half away from Metro Manila. It's accessible via major thoroughfares like NLEX, which is now linked to SLEX via the newly opened Skyway Stage 3, which cuts travel time from 2 hours to just 30 minutes. You can also take the SCTEX and the T-Plex if you're coming from the northern part of Luzon. In the near future, Alviera Estate will also be easy to reach through railway projects. Alviera Estate was developed to be a growth center nestled in nature, and its 4 well-designed districts are a testament to that. The Alviera City Center is where a lot of the work and play will take place. While corporate offices and retail and commercial spots are yet to be built, the action-packed Sandbox and the luxurious Alviera Country Club have already opened their doors. Sandbox is a unique getaway for families who seek adrenaline-raising, nature-loving activities.
Having an attraction like this in your neighborhood is hard to beat. The Alviera Country Club, on the other hand, is the first of its kind in Central Luzon.
And is certainly a place to enjoy all of life's pleasures. There's a swimming pool, premier fitness and wellness amenities that bring you closer to nature, and an array of first-class sports facilities for basketball, volleyball, and tennis.
For a little one-on-one with nature, one will be able to find that at the Alviera Greenbelt.
This 5-kilometer open space will be taken care of by the La Salle Botanical Garden as they bless the estate with 25 themed gardens, a plant nursery, and greenhouses. This stretch will be cultivated in between the West and East districts, where most of the residential communities will be. The Alviera West District will be the go-to place for relaxation.
Recreational and wellness centers, themed hotels, and retail spaces will be found here.
And as for the residents, the higher elevation here will let them relish the most scenic panoramic views. Finally, the Alviera East District will be the setting for educational institutions like the Miriam College and Holy Angel University, a 64-hectare eco-industrial park, and the 7-hectare East Commercial Area for both business and leisure. But more than that, this district will also be home to Ayala Land's residential developments, including the nearly sold-out Park Estates at Alviera by Ayala Land Premier.
Today, we'll be visiting the residential communities of Alveo and Avida that are ready to be called home. Alviera's diverse property lineup can match just what you need. If you're looking for something quaint, then Greendale might just be the place for you.
30 hectares in size, this peaceful neighborhood developed by Avida Land will be just 20 minutes away from your East Commercial, where all of life's conveniences will be. A starter home will fit perfectly in any of the 125 to 260 square meter lots, so you can build your dream home and wake up to nature every morning. There will be a complete amenities area where both children and adults can have fun and stay healthy. Residents will be able to enjoy the clubhouse with a function hall, adult and kiddie pools, a play area, several parks, a basketball court, and a jogging path.
For the safety of the residents, roving security will be available 24/7, while CCTV devices will be set up in strategic locations.
But more than just buying a home, Avida Land properties are a sound investment as their value has already increased by 193% since 2014.
But for those of you who are looking for a nature-centric, modern-day community with contemporary architecture to match, let me introduce you to Greenways, a development by Alveo Land.
Offering an exclusive and distinctive living experience, this 43-hectare community will have an abundance of parks and pocket gardens that brings in a lot of fresh air. And space is definitely not an issue here, as the 826 residential lots are at a sizable 264 to 500 square meters. Greenways Alviera is built with the lifestyle of the residents in mind. Luxurious, wide-open spaces make recreational amenities accessible for everyone. Complementing the community's laid-back living are the clubhouse, swimming pools, basketball courts, biking and jogging trails, and even a picnic area and fruit garden.
Now, if you're looking for a more resort-style and luxurious experience, I have one last property to take you to. Allow me to show you around Corvia.
Corvia is a mixed-use community offering the signature Alveo Land advantages of low-density living, resort-like amenities, and wide open spaces. Developed by Alveo Land as well, this 31-hectare metropolitan community will be right across the East Commercial District,
bringing you closer to the industrial hubs and retail destinations.
299 residential lots make up the property and are cut at 260 to 594 square meters, ready for homes where families can grow. And just like all other Alviera properties, you can guarantee that you'll be surrounded by nature. Plus, the sustainability features such as natural ventilation and lighting, walkable and bikeable lanes will allow you to rest easy knowing you'll be doing the environment some good. There will also be a 3-hectare amenities complex that sits right at the center of the neighborhood. The swimming pools, basketball court, kids' play area, open field, and jogging path will all serve as the common ground to bring the neighborhood together.
Now, after viewing these 3 properties, you can really tell that nature isn't just in the background. Instead, it's seamlessly integrated into everyday life. Truly a beautiful place to be. If you'd like to be part of this emerging estate, we can find the property that best fits you and take part in building your future. Get in touch with us today.
So magkakaroon kami ng project knowledge doon. Share ko lahat sa inyo kung paano mag-avail, kung saan location, ano yung mga house features, ano yung mga ino-offer nila. Sama ko ngayon si
Ate Mitch!
Melanie ng
Living Home!
So ano pa ba yung hintayin natin?
Let's go!
Uwi lamang ang inyong kaibigan sa paghanap ng tirahan. Payo ko'y handog para sa tamang landas ng buhay.
Alright guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa Alviera. Change lang kami ng uniform. Ang ganda dito guys. Malaki tong project nila dito sa Porac. Napaka-accessible lang niya dun sa Porac exit ng toll gate. Ayan o. Parang may ginagawa dun sila. Ayan, yung ginagawa nila dyan para mga amenities. Ayan o. Pupuntahan natin yan mamaya. Ito yung office ng Alviera. Ayan na yung mga kasama ko. Ayan guys o. Ayan siya. Nakinig lang tayo. Tapos share ko sa inyo yung mga napag-usapan namin. Parang chismosa. So, eto. Ayan o. Landscape nila. Kilala talaga yung Ayala guys sa build to last. Ayan. Ito po. Ayan guys, mali pala. Doon sa country club pala. Ito kasi sales office nila eh. So before dyan kami. Take two club.
Naka-jackpot na. Ganda ng parking.
Ganda ng parking namin oh. Hindi pala dito. Yun pala yung Tala Country Club. Ayan oh. Ayan, ito tayo dyan.
Magmamadali, isipin ang tunay na halaga. Hindi lang ito pader, ito'y pangarap na buo. Ang tahanan ay tahanan kung may saya't pagsasama. Walang mas mahalaga kaysa pamilya mong kasama. Ang inyong kaibigan sa paghanap ng tirahan. Payo ko'y handog
Sa convention meeting.
Wow, mali!
Mali na naman.
Laki kasi.
Laki kasi ng ano eh.
Iikutan pa dito.
Property. Pero the best dito pag may sports cars, no? Ang luwag ng daan. Kaso pag medyo sanay ka sa mga comment parang wala. Linis.
Ako si Kuya George, ahenteng lupa't bahay sa gitnang Luzon, Pampanga ang aking taglay. tumutulong sa pamilya, lokal man o dayuhan, sa ibang bansa'y nangarap, ngayon'y
At nasa likod natin yung ano eh, hammer. Ganda mag-drive dito, parang nag-drive ako sa golf course.
Tsaka ang tanong, nasa Pilipinas ka pa ba?
Syempre.
Hindi mo akalain na ganyan. Ganda kasi.
Mga ano ka guys, mga luxury property. Yan, ang ganda naman. Oh, ang ganda naman. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, dito, country club. Alinis. Ito yung country club nila.
Ang inyong kaibigan sa paghanap ng tirahan, payo ko'y handog para sa tamang landas ng buhay. Ngunit minsan di handa, kaya't oras ang nasayang. Samahan mo ako sa tamang bahay para sa pamilya'y payapang buhay.
Ayan guys, so dito sa country club nila, yung hallway, no? Tapos makikita mo dito yung swimming pool nila dito. Ayan. Tapos meron pa doon yung kid pool.
Nabuo ang tahanan ay tahanan kung may saya't pagsasama.
This is a milestone. We have around 30 faculties and the students are currently from grade 1 to grade 2. We're very glad to share this because our experience in New Valley when we opened Miriam and Xavier, it was a proven catalyst for estate activation. Another secret sauce that an estate needs would be like a public or a communal shared space for everybody. We recorded an all-time high traffic in the club by 10% versus last year, and the revenue which is up by 30% as of second quarter 2025. Our very own a farm near Sandbox, and this is now going to supply the vegetable directly from farm to the table of the country club. We're glad to share that we're starting construction by November, and we target to open its phase 1 by Q3 of 2026, which would include a rain garden, nursery complex, pavilion, team gardens, and different nature valleys for plant conservation and research. What does this mean for Alviera when it opened next year? This means that this will add another destination location in the estate. Okay. Currently, we have our public jeepney plying from Porac Bayan to Clark and vice versa. This has been operational for 2 years already. So the interim shuttle goes around Alviera in order to facilitate those who want to get from one point of Alviera to the other. So this goes all the way to Mantala, to Miriam College, to Sandbox, and vice versa. That is already operational since July. And so far, we're getting a lot of positive feedback. And what more to be proud of is by November 2025, I don't know if you've seen the one in New Valley. This is the one in New Valley. We are having one in Alviera as well. By end of November 2025, we will have our very own Alviera shuttle. Is the Alviera destination. Are you happy? Congratulations. It is finally happening, everybody. Okay? So it's finally happening. I know I've been hearing a lot from residential, correct? They have been looking for this. Diba? So let me walk you through the plan so you can better understand. Number one, where it is located. So this is our vicinity map. If you're familiar with the bigger map of Alviera on the upper right, the Alviera Destination Retail will be located in the middle, in the 15-hectare block in the CBD should be aligned with the overall Alviera proposition. And we're urban living in nature, and at the same time, if we're opening LSBG next year, we want to be nature themed so that we will be aligned in the overall estate proposition. This is our site development. There are three main components. Again, the retail promenade and the perimeter. There will be a food park. And then, there would be the play park and the open lawn in the bigger portion, which is number 3.
As we end this program,
Ako si Kuya George, ahenteng lupa't bahay.
And guys, katapos lang ng aming event. Busog kami sa food. Ngayon naman, puntahan natin yung model house nila dito guys. Umuulan sa labas, pero maganda pa rin yung view. So tingnan natin kung ano yung mga model house nila dito ma-offer. Si Engineer Roel, Ma'am Evelyn, na Alviera Country Club. Ito palang community na to is community na gusto nilang parang Nuvali style. Nandito na yung mga schools, commercial. Meron silang transportation na dito.
Ako si Kuya George, ahenteng lupa't bahay. Sa gitnang Luzon, Pampanga ang aking taglay. Tumutulong sa pamilya, lokal man o dayuhan. Sa ibang bansa'y nangarap, ngayon'y umuwi lamang. Ang inyong kaibigan sa paghanap ng tirahan. Payo ko'y handog para sa tamang landas ng buhay. Ngunit minsan di handa, kaya't oras ang nasayang. Samahan mo ako sa tamang bahay para sa pamilya'y payapang buhay. Sa bawat sulok ng baryo, sa kalsadang tahimik, may kwento ng pangarap, may tahanang bibit-bit. Tinig ko ang tanong, kuya, kaya ba ito? Sagot ko'y may pag-asa, basta't sama-sama tayo. Minsan, malayo ang pangarap. Minsan, ito'y malapit. Ang mahalaga'y tahanan kung saan puso'y sisikip. Ang inyong kaibigan sa paghanap ng tirahan. Payo ko'y handog para sa tamang landas ng buhay. Ngunit minsan di handa, kaya't oras ang nasayang. Samahan mo ako sa tamang bahay para sa pamilya'y payapang buhay. Huwag mamadali, isipin ang tunay na halaga. Hindi lang ito pader, ito'y pangarap na buo. Ang tahanan ay tahanan kung may saya't pagsasama. Walang mas mahalaga kaysa pamilya mong kasama. Ang inyong kaibigan sa paghanap ng tirahan. Payo ko'y handog para sa tamang landas ng buhay. Ngunit minsan di handa, kaya't oras ang nasayang. Samahan mo ako sa tamang bahay para sa pamilya'y payapang buhay. Huwag magmadali, isipin ang tunay na halaga. Hindi lang ito pader, ito'y pangarap na buo. Ang tahanan ay tahanan kung may saya't pagsasama. Walang mas mahalaga kaysa pamilya mong kasama.
Guys, nandito na tayo. Yan guys, ito yung Ayala. Ito yung mga model house natin, pero most of them are sold out na. Sama natin ngayon si Property Guide, Engineer Ruel.
Pampanga Property Guide.
Yan, Pampanga Property Guide. Sir, yung Silin wala na, no?
Yung Silin wala na tayong available, pero other area like sa Greendale, it will open doon sa area na yon. So dito, ang ano natin dito is mostly si Tresta Model House
Model
Unit
House
tayo.
Check natin. Mga single detached to.
Single detached. So, solo natin siya. Stand alone siya doon sa property. Nasa island siya ng property natin.
Mga ilan yung lot area nito, Engineer?
Ang minimum lot area natin is nasa 125 square meter. And yung floor area niya is nasa 67. And 3 bedroom.
Ayun,
Yes.
3 bedroom. Mabubuksan kayo natin.
Yeah.
Ayan, check natin. Ito yung kinuha ng client mo, no?
Yes, yung Trista Model Unit, luha ng client natin from US. So,
Ayun.
yun din yung mga ano natin,
Kasi
investors.
parang ibang-iba yung vibes dito, no?
Iba yung ano dito. Kahit ako, kung ano ako talaga, I want to stay at Ayala Land, lalo dito sa Alviera dahil estate
Nakita mo kanina yung ano nila, development, no?
Yeah.
At natapos at gagawin pa lang. Grabe, ang dami. Ang laki parang nito. Hanggang doon pa to, no? May commercial, may sports.
So lahat all in one.
May pagkainan.
Yeah.
Tsaka may transportation na sila.
Yes, mayroong
Public
transportation. Kung ano yung transportation na ginawa sa Nubali, sa South area, ganun din po yung magiging transportation natin dito. Actually, iikot yun hindi lang sa park ng Corac, Angeles, even though papuntang Clark. Yung service na yon. So, tabayanan natin yan.
Alright. Ang presyo nito?
So, ang starting selling price natin dito is nag-i-start siya ng 9 million. Pero which is we have a promo and discounts. So, as of now. Pero, let's see kung makakapag-avail sila at maano natin yung discount dahil very generous dahil ang Abidalan ngayon is nasa 35 years and service. So yun po yung ano natin, promo natin. So nagdi-discount sila. Yes, 35% to 40%. Yun po yung magiging discount natin.
So 9 million, 35%. So mga nasa ano na yun?
Roughly nasa 6M to 7M yung magiging ano. So
sa ganitong environment, ang laki talaga. So extended naman siya, no?
Yes, pwede natin siyang expand yung ano natin kasi meron pa naman tayong iikutan
Ano, gawa yung bahay na.
So, gawin yung bahay natin as yung parang tinatawag nila na iba yung materials na gamit dito So, parang Lego type or yung mga made in European na materials ang pinag-construct dito sa mga unit natin dito sa Ayala.
So, parang buhot sa gano'n.
Parang hollow blocks siya pero iba yun kasi pagdating sa exterior niya para at least ma-maintain yung finishing ng ano natin. So which is yun ang isang tinitingnan din kasi natin. Maaliwalas tignan. So hindi siya pagdating sa crack, very ano siya, hindi siya prone to crack even the moisture. So yun yung kagandahan sa materials na ginamit. At saka malapad siya. Yung size niya na actually nasa 8 inches.
Ayun.
So,
Dapat lang kasi approaching to site lang yung
yung mga normal hollow blocks natin.
Tingnan yung setback nito.
Yung setback natin dito, approximately nasa 4 meters yung setback.
4 meters.
Yeah.
Laki pa.
Yeah,
Pwede ba sila mag-extend dito?
Pwede siya actually, pwede extend sa likod. Mostly ang mga pwede nang extend dito is sa likod for the kitchen improvement. So yun yung maganda. Pwede lang expand to for the laundry and the kitchen area.
Nice. Tapos yung available ngayon, mga kailan yung turnover nila?
For the Northdale kasi mostly near RF na po yung mga unit natin and yun po ang kagandahan. But on the lot area, meron pa tayong mga available you want na may tayo ng sariling design. So, yun yung ano natin dito sa Nordel. Pero in terms of the unit,
So meron din silang lot only.
yes, yun ang kagandahan dito. May,
So kung ayaw mo yung design, pero
Yeah.
depende, may ano yan, di ba?
Mediterranean.
Mediterranean, yung
So,
style.
Yung style natin.
Mediterranean style, pwede yan. Okay, let's go!
Let's go inside. So,
Trista.
Trista.
Trista. Okay. Trista. And, wow. Then, then,
Welcome to our home.
so ito yung living. Naka-drop ceiling na ba yan? Or ano, plain? Plain na siya, no?
Yung turnover natin is plain lang siya.
Mm.
So, yung maging design, I don't think so. Kung open yung model house natin na for that turnover ng isang model house unit natin. Pero, dito ang luwag.
Luwag siya, ano siya, open concept. Pwede siyang 6-seater. Plus, mayroon siya ditong
Lalay area.
yan, kapihan area.
Yan. Hindi pa siya scan. Dahil yan, nasa 2 meters yung, ano pa yan, setback niya.
Mm-hmm.
So, luwag ka.
Isa din sa advantage ng mga nakadetach na bahay, yung window. Magkabilaan talaga.
Yes, right.
Saka mas maliwalas. Tingnan nyo yung ano niya.
Yeah.
Still door. Dito.
Yung tinignan natin kanina eh.
Oo.
So, ito yung pwede mong i-ano po yung ano natin dito. Pant ng kitchen.
Mm-hmm. Yun. Tapos dito yung CR. CR may banyo or powder?
Yes.
Okay. Hindi siya powder.
Ito siya.
Ano siya talaga? Toilet and bath.
Talaga siya.
Toilet and bath. Nice. Kasama na ba yung mga
Fixtures, yes.
yung ano dito, yung sa may kusina din? Kasama na rin yung
Ang
cabinet.
included dito is ito. Cabinet na to.
base cabinet.
Yes, ito. Dito. Pero ito is
Improvement na.
Improvement na lang. So, nasa atin kung gagayahin natin ganitong mood, no? Or we can take our own.
Okay.
So, kagandahan dito, pero pang storage ba?
Yan. Yan.
Oo.
Yan yung mga cleaning materials. Punta naman tayo sa taas, engineer.
So we have a 3-bedroom upstairs, the standard 2-bedroom and the master bedroom. So titignan natin sa taas. Then we have a toilet also upstairs.
Papansin mo dito yung ato at
Ventana. Ang aliwalas.
Ang aliwalas.
Yeah.
So wala masyadong pinlight lang siya. Pero ang ganda. Wow. So meron siya dito. 3-bedroom.
3 bedrooms. Sunayin na natin dito sa unang bedroom niya.
So,
Unang bedroom.
yung feeling mo, tingnan mo to. Ano may mga bahay? Oh. Yeah. So, sa laki ng development, feel mo yung pagka-exclusive.
Exclusive.
Ayala talaga.
Ayala is the number 1.
Number 1.
Ayala is a pioneer in terms of the real estate.
Yes.
So,
Second bedroom.
Number 2.
So, meron siyang
May window furnish, yeah. So,
window. Pero ito nakaabang na to.
yeah, may provision na tayo for a window easy. Pero pwede pa lang natin siyang i-ano, kung gusto natin split type. So, any equipment that sa gusto natin.
Anong material? Quick panel?
So, quick flat panel, yung mga ano natin, partitions natin.
Wow.
Yun. Ito yung master bedroom. So, marami siyang bintana.
So, 1, 2, 3.
Yan. Parang side dito. Another one. Yes, ganito na. Yung turnover natin, pinaltala siya.
Pinaltala.
Flooring na rin. So,
Pero yung paint niya,
yung paint natin is purely white. Yung ano natin, mga finish natin na turnover. But receivable, pwede na siyang tirahan kung gusto natin. Or improve pa, kulay natin na gusto natin for the interior. Yeah.
ayan. Ang kagandahan dito, meron siyang partition. Kasama na ba ito or
Yes,
improve?
kasama yan.
Ito, kasama na.
Pati yung pictures niya kasama dyan.
Yan, ito. Pwede yung hot and cold na, ready na siya, no? Hot and cold. Or ganito yung fixtures niya.
Ganyan din yung turnover natin.
Ayun. Tapos, meron siya dito socket for naka-operate na pala sila yung Miriam College.
Yeah, meron na tayong Miriam College and also the Lasal Botanical Garden. So, nag-groundbreaking na rin sila. Actually, last week.
Last week?
Yes. So, yun yung groundbreaking ng halos activities.
And speaking of activities, meron mga golf. Pero yung golf mismo, yung golf na kung saan kayo lalakad, wala pa yun. Process pa yun. Yung meron ngayon, parang driving range lang muna.
Testing muna.
Testing muna lang.
O warm up. Then, pagkatapos ng golf course area natin, then doon na i-apply yung naging
yung 18 hole pa yun.
Yes. And yung hinahabangan dito is yung mga retail area natin. Lalo may community na tayo.
Exactly. Pag pumunta sila ng Subic, parang stop by.
Yes, stop by.
Kasi bungat sila mismo ng Porac na Subic.
Yes. Sa SLTX exit by Porac. So, pagkalabas mo is Alviera na.
Yes, tama.
Yung kagandahan dito is their prime location.
Invite mo sila para i-follow ka rin nila.
Yun. If you want, may mga vlog din po dito sa Alviera, Northdale. So, follow me at Pampanga Property Guide. So, by the way, I'm Engineer Roel Visperas, your Pampanga Property Guide here at Alviera.
Tama na namin yung amenities. Let's go!
Ako si Kuya George, ahenteng lupa't bahay sa gitnang Luzon, Pampanga ang aking taglay. Tumutulong sa pamilya, lokal man o dayuhan, sa ibang bansa'y nangarap, ngayon'y umuuwi lamang. Ang inyong kaibigan sa paghanap ng tirahan, payo ko'y handog para sa tamang landas ng buhay. Ngunit minsan di handa, kaya't oras ang nasayang. Samahan mo ako sa tamang bahay para sa pamilya'y payapang buhay. Sa bawat sulok ng baryo, sa kalsadang tahimik, may kwento ng pangarap, may tahanang bibit-bit. Tinig ko ang tanong, kuya, kaya ba ito? Sagot ko'y may pag-asa, basta't sama-sama tayo. Minsan, malayo ang pangarap, minsan, ito'y malapit. Ang mahalaga'y tahanan kung saan puso'y sisikip. Ang inyong kaibigan sa paghanap ng tirahan, payo ko'y handog para sa tamang landas ng buhay. Ngunit minsan di handa, kaya't oras ang nasayang. Samahan mo ako sa tamang bahay para sa pamilya'y payapang buhay. Huwag mamadali, isipin ang tunay na halaga. Hindi lang ito pader, ito'y pangarap na buo. Ang tahanan ay tahanan kung may saya't pagsasama. Walang mas mahalaga kaysa pamilya mong kasama. Ang inyong kaibigan sa paghanap ng tirahan, payo ko'y handog para sa tamang landas ng buhay. pamilya'y payapang buhay.